Yo, what up? It's your boy, Idiot Boy, 231. What up? Peace out. Peace out. Peace. Peace. No, the screen is like mirrored, so it's like left, right, right for you, but left for me. Do you hear me? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am really cool. I am really cool. You don't mess with me, cause then I mess with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. I will mess with you. I am so stupid. Why am I doing this with? I don't know, cause I have no life. Whoa, whoa. I have no life. This is my life, but it's really not life. Why am I singing? I can't really sing. I have two personal messages. I have already read them, but they won't disappear. That's really strange. I think my internet is bugged, bugged, bugged. Don't forget to click the yellow button right over there. Right over there. Or there, I don't really. There. Over there or over there. Thumbs up for you if you rate, comment, subscribe. Go to the YouTube homepage. The YouTube thingy. Right over there like. And if you got some personal mentions, hooray for you! That was really stupid. I know. Cause I'm a retard. Oh.